Hi, this is Bratten of Tiberius Arms. We're here at the 2012 Paintball Extravaganza. Got the T9.1 FSR Sniper. Going to show you some of the features. Got magazine feed capability that's compatible with the patented First Strike technology. First Strike projectiles give you better range, better accuracy over traditional paintballs. T9.1 is also dual feed, so remove these 4 screws. You can also feed from a hopper. Barrel system allows you to rotate from hopper feed to mag feed and back by simply clicking the barrel over. That allows you to shoot traditional paintballs. You've got a shot you can't make, you switch over to the First Strike for better range and accuracy. T9.1 can take air, as you see here, built into the stock. It's got a remote port for people that want to run a stationary stock. Use the remote port on the bottom. It can also feed 12 grams CO2 through the magazine. T9.1s are all built off of a modular platform, so it can be taken from a rifle to a pistol very, very quickly. I'll demonstrate that for you. Move the front section of your barrel. Move your shroud assembly. Move your top riser system. Lastly, remove the stock system. Reinsert your mag, just going from rifle to pistol. The Tiberius T9.1.